Yesterday, um, I have used a technique during my live stream, which I simply call like limited proportional editing or selective proportional editing. So I'm gonna demonstrate in these forge bits how to like make use of it fully, like its full potential. So you can actually animate with it. So let's say we have let's say you want to animate this one and at the same time use proportional editing like limited or selective proportional editing. So this is how we do it. So here's a cube. Let's say let's select, let's go to edit mode, select the surface. Let's say we want to make a blade out of it, because that's what I think the best way to demonstrate selective or limited proportional editing and animating it at the same time. So I I went to edit mode, select the face that I want to modify, click on the vertex group and click the plus button to create a new vertex group. Click assign, go back to object mode, add a base shape key, add another one, click this shape key, edit mode, and set the value to 1. So, oh, of course, we need to add the group like that. So, go back to edit mode and then edit away. Let's see, blades are like really long, so let's say we move our, oh, why is it, anyway, let's just move it along. Oh, I know why. Should have pressed. There you go. Y-axis. Let's say about um about like that. Sorry, I'm out of words. Next, we want to make the blade like very thin. So we select these two and then add another group. Click assign. Go back to object mode and add a new key. Set to 1. Select the next group. If you want to test, turn off. As you can see, it goes back to the original cube. So yeah, let's go back to edit mode. Scale by x-axis and scale it very thin like that. Yeah, I'm guessing that's good enough. Then next, no, maybe it's too much. Scale X, make it a little bit thicker, and then we'll go to edge mode, select these two. Perhaps it's the best time to create a loop cut somewhere here, like somewhere around this part, because if we're going to make it a blade like that, we need like sort of loop cut here. Maybe another one, or let's just make it, oh, maybe another one somewhere here. There you go. And now let's select these two vertices, create another group, assign, go to object mode, create a key, make the value 1 and select the new group, back to edit mode, and then scale to x-axis, make it really thin, that would mm, like make it into an impression of a blade, but not too much, like that. And then it's time to make the blade thingy. So let's just create enough loop cuts so we have enough um, vertices to work with, like that. So while the vertices is still selected, create another group, assign it, go to object mode, create another key, make it 1, select the new group, and then um, go back to edit mode. And here, this is when we will... Oh, I think I made a mistake here. I should be selecting the top layer, not this one. So let's see if we could fix it. We are supposed to select these parts here. Maybe let's just go up to here and then click assign, see if it will still work. Otherwise we might need to like remake the key, because sometimes let's just re-add it here, perhaps it will work like that. Now turn on the proportional editing and move it like that. So as you can see, it's broken. So we're not doing the selective. As you can see, it's everything's moving. So let's just redo this part. So remove this one, back to here, remove this one, go back to edit mode, select the parts that you want to like move and create a new group, click assign, back to object mode, create a new key, set to 1, click a group, click the group and then select the 2 vertices that you want to be the like the starting point of the whole thing that will move around. So with the proportional editing still selected, move the part. As you can see, we are not affecting everything. We're only affecting these vertices that's assigned to that group. So yeah, we can make a really cool blade out of it. Perhaps we could use like sphere. Let's see how it works. Nah, sphere is like different. How about sharp? Let's see how this one would. Not really a fan of that. Let's just go with smooth and then like have it almost like that. Let me try one more. Which one was it? I think we used sharp. Yeah, I think this is better. Does it look like a blade? Yeah, I think so. And the best thing here is that you can actually animate from start. So let's do that. So like from default cube, you like turn it into a blade. So like let's go to the first. Let's do this. So first, let's turn everything into like 0. So we have the cube, and then go to this one, the first key. That's going to turn it into a long slab. So keyframe number 1, add a keyframe here. Then after like 20 frames, we make it value number 1 and keyframe the second one. After 40 frames, make it 1, keyframe it again, go to the next one, keyframe it, go to 60, make it 1, keyframe again, go to the next, keyframe it, and then frame 80, make it number 1, keyframe it. And then let's say we have 100 frames and let's play it. There you go. As you can see, it animates. Cool, right? I don't know if there's anything else that's going to be cooler than that. We upgraded default cube into a blade. So yeah, we have touched like two important techniques here. We have the limited or selective proportional editing, and we have the animation of vertices. And that's all for Forge Beats. I hope to see you again later. Don't forget to watch my live streams every 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. Eastern time. So yeah, bye.